Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to make a voice call to a group member on the WhatsApp app for PC using the latest update. Let's dive right in. First, the initial step is to open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you haven't installed the app yet, you can download it from the official WhatsApp website and complete the setup process. Once you have the app open, look at the left side menu where you will see various options. The next step is to click on the phone icon located in this menu. This icon is your gateway to making voice calls. Now let's move on to finding the group you want to call. Under the Recent section, scroll through your chat list until you find the specific group that contains the member you wish to contact. If you belong to multiple groups, this should be straightforward. After locating the group, click on it to open the conversation. Here, you will see all messages exchanged among group members, which can help you catch up before making a call. The final step is to identify the member you want to call. Next to their name, you will see 3 dots. Click on these dots, and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Voice Call. This action will initiate a voice call directly to that group member, and there you have it. You're now ready to connect with your friends or family through WhatsApp on your PC. Enjoy your conversation and make the most of this fantastic feature. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.